Hi all, I'm Lundi from Legit Blueprint, and today I'm going to give you an honest review of GetResponse as I'm using it for the past 5 years, and it's one of the tools you will need for your online business. I want you to follow along with me till the end of this video that you will know if this software will be the right thing to use for your business. They have a menu. I already opened the menu. And I will be talking about all these things that's available in the menu and the growth tools. So let's start from the beginning. GetResponse is an easy to use all-in-one marketing platform. As you can see, opening the menu, everything is there for you to use. As well as email marketing offers landing pages, advanced automation. I rank them pretty friendly and easy to use due to their range of advanced features. I find the entire plan pricing is reasonably. They offer a great discount from time to time. When you log into your GetResponse account, you will see your dashboard, and this is how your dashboard will look. As I told you, Valentine's sales is on. You can customize your dashboard by adding different widgets on your dashboard. But personally, I would like to see an overview of my different mailing lists that I currently have. So this is my mailing list that I currently have. When you log into your GetResponse account, you will see your dashboard. Now this is the dashboard. You can add some widgets and you can track your stats you're almost interested in and want to stay up to date. Here you have list building program, you get more sharing. Here is my list, GetResponse, watch our video tour. They give you a lot of information on how to use GetResponse, my newsletters. And then here you have the forms, create newsletters, create landing pages, add contacts, create autoresponder. I personally would like to see an overview of my different email lists that I currently have. I also would like to see statistics about my last newsletter or emails I sent out to my email subscribers. When you start using the software, the easiest way to navigate through is by clicking on the menu. So let's see. Menu is at the top. Here is lists, reports, drafts, and also how to create. Here you can see that I'm in my account. You will also get some notifications and they will be showing here. Let's go into the menu. So you navigate through the menu button to the top left corner where you will see your main tools of GetResponse. So this is all the main tools and I will go through them briefly to show you what each one can do. I want to start to talk about lists and the way you organize your email contacts with GetResponse, as you need to add them to different email lists. So let's go into lists first. Here we can see all my email lists and how many people I have in the different lists, where are they currently, what's happening to them, and here is my business, your business partner with Anthony lists, and I currently have 177 emails and subscribers that I put into that list. I can also clean up my email list on a regular basis to make sure I have my list super organized and functionally properly. So let's start by creating a new email list and learn what resonates with my audience and what does not. If you want to start a new list, you just click on lists and create. Here is also create a list. Here you will use your list name. Let's put a test _ Lundi. This is all small letters with no spaces, and let's create. Now let's see, where is my list, the one we just created. It should be here, test Lundi on February 14. In GetResponse you can automate your emails. You can send out a simple newsletter to inform them about your new videos. So what I usually do when I start with a new list, I send out a welcome email. If this is people that's new to my channel or anybody subscribing through my landing page and coming to my email list will get my welcome newsletter first. And after that, I have set up different emails that they will get when I put out new videos or if I have something new that I would like them to know about. This also helps that all your emails are not sent to the spam folder, as this is not all sent at the same time. As people sign up, they will get this email. So I'm also setting on my automate your email list, I'm also setting that they get the email as soon as they sign up. So it's not 50 emails that I'm all send out at once that will go into the spam folder and I will be known as a spammer. Now you will set up your email list. If you already have one, just import your entire email list to your new list that you've created. Now I showed you, we created the test Loendi emails, and now we have to add contacts. And as you can see, add contacts. And here you can do it manually, or you can upload a file using an external service or paste any rows. So if we want the external file, you can drag a file here and upload. You can add and update existing. You can only add new names, or you can update existing. And then remember, you have to have permission to add these people to your list. So this is very important to mark this part of this. What I did, let's go back to my lists. And what I did here with your business partner with Anthony, where I already added my new, I found 177 new people. Helps my business, and these people will all get my newsletter. Secondly, you can use your autoresponder to send out emails. You're setting up an email sequence, and here you have day 0, day 1, day 2, and here do it for your funnel, do it for your funnel day 3, do it for your funnel day 1. And then you can set it up, and this will go when it was scheduled by you. I usually send out 3 emails about new products I promote or I want my viewers to know about. Thirdly, the last thing that you can use is use your automation tool in GetResponse, where you can set up entire workflow. Once this is set up, it can last for months and you do not have to change anything. So let me just show you quickly automation. Here I have a campaign for the free training. So we'll open this one just to show you how it looks. So here is my automation for the free training that I'm giving away to my people. So they come in, send the message, welcome message 1. If they open, they will wait. If it's opened, it will go on, wait for 1 day, and then I'll send the second message. If they don't open, I send the next message to them with a different headline because they didn't read my message, so I can still put the same information in the body of my email or my newsletter. And this is how it will look. And once they went through the whole thing, I will put them a sign tag, finished my 12 steps free training. So I know exactly what happened with them. This makes it very easy, but you don't have to start off with your work. Now I'm going back to my lists, and I'm going to do my 12-step action plan, my free training that I'm sending out. And here I'm looking at my email addresses. So what I'm doing here, I'm also tracking if they opened my email. Here I can see they already received 8 emails of me on 6 February 2021. And this is the API address. And also I can open and see that they read my emails. This one, subscribed on 6 February, message was sent to them, message was opened, message sent on 7 February, message sent on 9 February, message was opened. So here I can track how my people are reading my messages. Are they opening it? Are they clicking on my message? And this little spots here, or dots or lines, show you how many did they open. If I find somebody like Hafizu, I can see they just opened one email. I already sent quite a few messages. So they described on 4th of February, message was sent, another message was sent, another message was sent, and no messages was opened. What I usually do when I clean up my messages in this GetResponse, if I see anybody that's really not interested in what I'm sending them, like 13 messages, only one was when they signed up, and thereafter they never looked at any of my messages or any of my newsletters that I sent to them, I will clean up my list and remove these people, as they block space for somebody else who might be interested and who would love to see my emails. Here, as I told you, Hafizu also. 9 messages already sent out. They just signed up on 4th February, and after that, no other messages was opened. What I find, sometimes if people is on vacation or maybe with a business trip, they might not be able to see the messages immediately or to read or react. So don't be too harsh on the people. Give them some time and recheck before you remove them and clean up your list. But if a month or 2 went past and nothing was opened, I definitely remove them. And we will go to landing pages. On GetResponse, I can build landing pages. There are so many templates in the landing page builder that you will never run out of ideas. I find this very helpful to me, and I can make changes depending on what I'm connecting to my landing page. I also find you can search if you want a simple landing page. If you want with a headline, select the template. If you want something with a video, there's also landing pages where you can put a little video in. You can add "Are you in?" And I found that I never run out of ideas. There's so many different ideas that you can even search for. If you want to make your landing page more personal and you don't want to use any of these templates, you can build it from scratch. And here you can open build from scratch, and you can start your clean page and add whatever you would like to add. So the option is there on GetResponse not to use any of these templates. GetResponse added a new feature called Auto Funnel that allows you to create sales funnels, and you can do everything from Facebook ads to landing pages and checkout pages. This makes it very easy to integrate everything in GetResponse. So you will have all your components of a sales funnel in one software. This is very new. I'm still testing this feature, but find it very pleasing to use. They also added webinars. If you use the webinar tool and the CRM feature, it's also good to know how it works. And you can create a live webinar. I have not tested this in full yet, but I will make a video once I have more information to share related to these 2 features and how GetResponse is working. And as I mentioned, Valentine's Day sale, get up to 40% off on higher plans. So if you want to sign up, I will leave the link below, but you also have a 30-day free trial that you can first check it out and see if this is really what you would like to have and if this will fit your business. Live chat. Here you can type your chat and your question. As I mentioned, the 24-hour support is great, and I usually don't wait longer than 1 minute before they just answer. They once made me a short customized video explaining what I should do, which helped me in finding the buttons to click and the right boxes to add the content I struggled with. They are very efficient and fast, and I never wait long for any of my support questions. Let's look, what does this cost? I found this very affordable, and especially with Valentine's Day sale, you can get up to 40% off of any plan that you choose. Now let's look at the different plans. You can start with the basic plan, just sending emails and build engagement contact base, and your list could be below 1,000 emails, and you will pay $10.46 per month. As I mentioned, you can also start your 30-day free trial to see if you can use this and what do you think of this software. The most popular is the Plus package, and that is $34.15 per month for the special at the moment. And then if your emails go up, if you go to 2,500, you will pay $41.12 per month. I'm currently paying $49 per month for my Plus plan that I'm using. If you go up to the professional plan, which is more than 2,500 on your email list, you can pay $97 per month, or with the discount, $82 per month. But I found that you don't really need to go as high as professional, or even they have an executive plan for big businesses that will use quite a lot of emails, more than, let's see, they can go up to 150,000 to 100,000. And then they will also give you your own specific, personalized and flexible custom price. But for me, I think just to use the basic plan, if you're just starting and you don't want to go any higher, would be more than sufficient. Most popular is the Plus plan. I'm currently using the Plus plan, and I found that you don't need anything more than this plan. If you're looking for a solid email marketing solution, I will definitely recommend this software. There's other softwares you can look at, but I found this was very easy to set up and understand. I never had a problem putting my links in any of these emails I send out with GetResponse. They never blocked my emails and support me fully. Some of the other software is not supporting affiliate marketers, so make sure you understand what you need and which software will be the best fit for your business. But for now, sign up for the free trial using my link and just check it out. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel not to miss my next videos when I'm sending them out. Till next time, see you on the other side of the screen.